You are going to love the 2019 Infiniti QX50. The Infiniti QX50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the QX50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The QX50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.